I got this one. I got this one. Here. This Julio.
Alrighty. There's Ken right there.
All right, here.
There's a. Whoa! Oh, he's a good one.
Yeah, buddy.
Take him under my line. Take him under my line.
I'm trying. Look at
Okay.
him. He says, I'm not coming.
Where is he?
I said, yes, you are. Right here.
Oh, here he is. There he is. There he is. Oi. Right there. Oh.
Got to redirect him. He doesn't want to turn. I'm going to turn him.
Get him.
Oh, yeah.
Nice one. There it is. It's Kent's.
Finally, the first one got away.
That's crazy. All right. Here you go. I hate filming that.
All right, now I can catch 3 more for Julio.
4.
4 more.
Alrighty.
All right. Big Bear Lake. I'm here by the dam.